This machine might look simple, but it protects laboratories from one of the most dangerous threats: toxic chemical fumes. Introducing the ductless fume hood YR06560 and YR06562, designed to provide a safe and controlled workspace for modern laboratories. Its structure is built from cold-rolled steel with an epoxy coating, offering excellent resistance to aggressive chemicals. The working area is protected by a transparent sliding sash, allowing experiments to be handled safely. The unit also includes lower storage cabinets with opening doors for laboratory equipment, as well as a built-in laboratory faucet to make preparation and cleaning easier. At the core of the system is a triple filtration technology: pre-filter, HEPA filter, and activated carbon filter, achieving up to 98% filtration efficiency against hazardous fumes. An LCD display monitors filter saturation and alerts users when replacement is required. With adjustable airflow, powerful air volume, and low noise, this ductless fume hood provides a reliable solution for safely handling chemical fumes in laboratories.